You subscribe yet?
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up on what you believe. There is such a big difference with wants and needs. I don't need no reference. Girl, you are all I need. Heart signed and sealed. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. Years, tears. Now I know what it means.
Wow, so wash down the beat.
How go on, man?
Yeah, did.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Yeah,
Dry clean it because boy rough for the water and them there and time, you know.
I mean, I tell you, I'm rough. Look, I can mean with the water, man. You can't show look water on it, man.
Hello. What go on with you?
You know, says I link my cup gear for more ask you a question. You remember one girl one time, man? Let me see. She did box you. I think it was by your birthday too, you know. Yeah, so you as a matter of fact, you're not supposed to forget that.
Why you see money piece of me a cheat? Not sure.
CM girl with things say did that.
Jesus.
Cheat my brother.
So I'm to her. She
Eh?
book her too?
No, yeah, no man. She not book her too, you know. But you know, say me, over here one conversation. Yeah man, both her say she did a look at plumber. To come fix something down at the yard.
Okay.
I don't know what come over me, you know. I decide say yo, me I go check that thing. But
Hold on. At the same time, you come here make a phone call which day then you talk about some sitting and sitting. But you never explain to me certain things. Are that same somebody there?
the same person there, brother.
Jesus
But-
Christ.
But no, me actually think say me think about it and feel like me have to talk to you first because you don't know I respect the code.
Yeah,
I
man,
want to know if that is good by you.
brother, I'm good enough. I don't want to see that again and that me I tell you, you know.
Yes?
What you mean, man? Yeah, I'm a blessing. I'm a curse as well.
last part.
What about it? Because I tell you, it's a road where you have to go make sure so you're sure where you go. But yeah, I'm not discouraged. I'm not discouraged. Sorry about that. You have a blessing.
Why? I not lie to you, no, man. When time you say she want a plumber, no, brother. And then I go look for the girl. I go with the intention say, oh, I probably go recommend somebody, but when I see the blouse and skirt, girl, my boss, I turn plumber, I turn mechanic, I turn carpenter, and I want, I don't know what I couldn't do.
Yeah, man, she have a
Brother.
nice appeal, man. I think. Turn up.
Oh, goodness, man. I'm going to give you a tip. But, well, being honest, not lie to you. You know, it's 2 weeks now, I'm there, and she just look like she has kind of give me a look of conversation still. Yeah, man, she did a whole out for me a little bit, but she had warm up a little bit to me, you know.
Yeah, because the last time I check it out, well, let me check it out, you know, so when you're interested about certain things, people like your information to you. He said she have a little long distance relationship go on there.
Well,
You know, so, I don't know.
yeah, man, I
Oh,
try
yeah.
to walk in for the short term, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, feel like it can work out, man.
Yeah,
She
man,
cool,
do you
you know,
think?
brother. But I still need to learn some more about this sing thing, so you probably need to go help me, you know.
Hold on. You know, so I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know how you come link me to their beef, boy, but you see her sister.
Oh, go on, yeah. She
Her
have a sister.
I mean, man, she have a sister. Come on, some delay.
Two of them?
Yes. Her sister check for me certain way and she a going like she want to draw me in certain, but me not really, no, dugu no go on yet. You understand me? I say, cause me I say, boy, I not really want to touch that base because over that side are kind of terrible.
Hold on, and me I tell that?
The school, man. So you believe me?
Yeah, me, I tell them.
So you believe me?
You.
Go school, man. I change them, I'm a different kind of person.
Alright, anything you say.
Yeah, man, but
Anything you say.
really and truly, I don't really want to go there about she kind of, she's a nice girl and things, so I groom her in the way how, you know what I mean? If you do something, I don't feel like I'm guilty. You know what I'm way there?
Feel like you're guilty. Well, me depend on the bigger sister case, I'm guilty as charged. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go get ready right now for go link her cause she said she want me fix her sink. And the sink I shall fix.
What do you mean? Well, go on, do your thing.
Yes,
I
so,
pray for you and
big up yourself, you
I
know.
always dress in the black, so anything go on and I'm ready for you. Feel like, nah, man, that's cool, man. You take things. I joke, man. Joke, man. If you laugh about joke. That's cool, man. So, yo.
As I say, you get a blessing for God deal with it.
Yeah, man. It's a sure shot.
Alright.
So I wish you all the best. Yes, sir.
Alright.
And do your thing. If I don't hear call me, because I know looking before the plumbing right now.
No, if I nothing.
Yeah.
I have to link you because I want some more help and
Advice.
right.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
So,
Pick up yourself and thing. Yes, sir.
listen
Alright,
later
Bobby.
on. Get
Yeah.
to use some water, man. Jesus Christ, man. That's what you and me.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy. Dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up.
Babe. No. Because I have a client. I had a client this morning while you were calling. So I could have given the call. I have a next client now, but I can't tell. So you never better go work? No. No, man, you can't talk, man. No, me say like me say, me been busy from morning, me have a client and me just start another one, but me soon finish. You want to stay for the call until me done? Why not? Can you send me a picture of me see? Oh, that's nice. Me like that. But the gold better, you know, me really like silver. Gold better. But I look for a couple with you, you know, I'm going to send you a photo. And we can do like the couple one, like you can get half and me get.
Ma'am,
Right. Huh?
you can.
Oh, my bad. No, man, not the clients. Yeah. Oh, let me see it. Yeah, like that. The gold one look nicer. So you still have to send the money to sort out the plumber and get the other stuff them done? Cause in right. Yeah, mommy said so, but I know work. And you have work too as well. So I don't know. Let me check back it and see how much claim I have tomorrow. Maybe we can. No man, I don't think so. We can't wait till I come either. So I'm go have clients tomorrow, back until about 6.
Miss, you have a current client.
Okay, yeah? No, it's alright, I say. She have to go wait either. You come don't start her either. So she go to get up and walk with her church? With her ear off then? Well, because so awesome. I don't know and I don't care. Me don't start her hair already, so she can get up on my and cheap. She pay me already too. That's why I take deposit. Right? So if they late, I still make my money. Because if I not talk to you from all I'm supposed to do, make the car go on. And I can always make back that little change, yeah? Exactly. Maybe, but like me some like the goal better. Can you hear me? You can hear me better now? No, I'm outside on the veranda, but
Miss,
the call now pick up.
You come to do my hair or you come to make phone call?
Babe, listen. Obviously, me the ear, I'm been I do good. I'm gonna stop from the start of the ear. Look how far I reach, but I get a call me and talk to my boyfriend that. Not alright?
Listen, I have places to go. We have to finish before nightfall. It's getting dark.
Okay. Babe, you have to go stay with me and let me call you back in a few hours. Okay, baby. Love you too. Alright. You don't feel like you could have been more patient?
I've been trying to be patient with you.
Well, no worries, I appreciate it. But it's actually a long time when I talk to you, you know?
Yeah. Alright, I understand that. I have a boyfriend too.
Okay.
You coulda call it quits and go on. So easy for you find a rich man, but it's clear that is not your plan. You choose me for who
Hey,
I
babe, here I go. The day I'm here still, you know. But, yeah, come up here.
Hey, me need to talk to you about something, because you're not moving.
You mean to me now move right? Alright, listen. Me know say certain things are really said the way you want to hear, but you have some work to deal with afterwards, you know. So if you have come, you have to come early and things, yeah?
You're going to leave out now, so we should be
You leave out right now?
here. Yes.
You take taxi and come?
Yeah, because you're not coming to me.
Alright, but nobody expects certain things, you know.
We going to come. We come with that.
But here, I mean, I really have no money to go do here right now. So if you come in the yard, you can't get no money right now. I'm going to go to a bank.
You know I'm not going to come to you. We are coming to you.
You want, so you really will let me have to come cuss me? And that you really going to do? And that you really say out your mouth? But, alright, forward. But, alright, yeah, forward. Just forward the answer. Later, I'll wait for you. Alright. So you say I'm going with you?
Why? John Star. Now I know what make you do what you do, you know.
You talk about the girl, you know, not sure?
Brother. Oh, God. I'm going to come closer to tell you this, honor.
So what go down now?
Big man. You know, should I did listen? Should I listen to you? You know? Because when me see you walk away from such a girl who looks so good, we should have did know better. Big man thing, you know. Brother, me look on the girl and I say, oh, this girl is too good to be true. And I tell you, say, no matter how me bat, me in a crease and me a bat like a Brian Lara, me bat like a Shonda Paul, me say me don't know who me no bat like.
I'm mad somebody, me tell you already, but sometimes people have to experience life for themselves. You cannot see the kind of person. But when a person show you who they are and you believe it, believe it.
Brother, the girl not give me no forward.
Yes, now.
A blank page me I get.
But believe me, you see if she wants to sit like a benefit out of you, maybe she don't dry. Like maybe you look at money or you know what I mean.
Try to say me know nothing about me.
No, me not say that, but some woman really is not about what about you.
Them have to see.
It's about what they want. You understand me? I say.
Ah,
But don't worry yourself, man. There's many more fishes in the sea. You know what I mean?
but we did one that one day.
The one day, not true?
Yeah, man, that one day would have look good on my right side, yes, man. Yeah, man, would have look good. Yeah, brother, girl proper me and tell you something, girl shape good, man. You know, a long time Coca-Cola bottle, eh? I saw the girl shape, you know, man.
That's true, man. Let me tell you, she give me one side ass on my face. She can't bother with that. She too angry and aggressive at time. I don't know if she changed, though, you know, because things can. I want you.
Got my phone on vibrate. Oh, and hello? Hey! Yo, I'm just yo, you know, I'm just there talk about you. talk about? Me just there talk about you. Me say me just do, hey, me just a tell my virgin how you nice and how you look good and me have to come link you back, you know, baby girl. Believe when time I tell you say the ears must a ring. Hey, from morning and I stop run up and down for my hair right now, your foot them supposed to tired. Believe no man. Hey, I appear run up and down, you run up and down in my mind now, baby girl. Hear me I say. What you say? I lie you tell. You serious? Tell me say you serious. Say it again. What time? What time for forward? Yeah? Yeah man. Now go wear all my new underpants, don't worry. Yeah man. Alright. Alright. Now go get that trim right now and come give you a link. Yeah man. Don't worry about the girl, just cool no man. Me say we have everything covered. Anything we need to find, we find it. Alright, cool. Yeah man. Alright. You see you know, I don't like how you talk sometime, you know. That you there talk to the girl now, give me no forward and watch it. Hey!
Come on, come here.
No, but watch it now.
Babu, come on, come here.
But watch it now. You don't really follow what I say a while ago still.
Yeah, man, everything good.
But watch it now. No, watch it now, my brother. I know I can't, you couldn't, how if you say this, how if you tell she, you know.
Well, yeah, man, go on, do your thing.
Listen, man. You see, all what I say a while ago, nobody say it. But I think somebody say it, just reverse it. Just send it back up the stairs. You see it?
Matter of fact, me I go up the stairs now.
You never hear what I say a while ago.
Yeah, man, just enjoy your time. I did you.
I'm going to tell you what I want, man.
Alright.
Me, I'm going to tell you what I want. Hey, hold on, I have a question there, though.
What's the question?
Matthew's a one expensive restaurant.
Nah, man, you and she is a very ideal spot.
It's good.
You know, yeah, no case.
So it's not going to cost too much?
Nah, man, you know.
Alright, my boss.
You pay for what you order, and you order what you eat. You know what I mean? Cause yeah, so you go.
Man, as long as it pocket friendly, me can.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss, to say a word, you know. You see it?
Yeah, man.
Later, my boss.
What a matches, man.
Yes.
We need girls down so good. Can't believe it. Man up, man.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy.
You call me away for your mango?
I tell me say you're there with Pam for customer.
What you mean me there away for your focus? You know what me there for. Or if you just run the other day, so like you could stand up and defend me? What kind of man you be?
You understand what I said to you first before you do that? Eh? You understand where I come from? You have it? Alright, you see based on how you look on it. I see your sister me when the things, I know she stays violent.
So,
you understand? I don't want she go and find on thump on or something, some mistake steps. So I take them myself. But,
so listen, you couldn't even stay 1-2 minutes to hear what she has to say. You know what she said? She don't business about it. But tell you this, I mean, don't care. If she there with you, that's not my business. That didn't know what part of the Bible, Marco. If you love me, you love me.
yeah, but you know your sister? Think about it for 1 second.
No.
You know your sister how aggressive she is?
You think about whose sister is it?
Yeah.
Yours or mine?
Fear and
okay.
I don't go far. But me I take myself out of it. So you know what? Me now come back up your yard for right now and me don't want you to feel like say boy afraid or not, but just out of respect for the fact say, you know, even up there me and she will do things already.
Okay, you can't tell me that. If you want to come up in your life right now, you're happy.
Listen, me could do it in a way where we're both comfortable. I want you to comfortable
so
and make me comfortable. You're not comfortable up there, so I don't like how she, you don't know who and what she bring me through, you know. That type of problem, you know. So you just feel so boy, that's me just put my foot on my hand and run because I'm afraid I'm a coward and wait it.
It's at that time because
and I laugh, you really laugh.
Because it's funny, because you're making funny, you're making a situation where you're trying to be funny, Marco. Be serious for once.
I am serious for once.
You're not comfortable with me. Suppose me to tell us I'm not comfortable with family, right?
But it's a feel at my place and it can be for your place
too. It can go both ways.
Like how?
But up there, so your sister lives
So
and
me
me
I go
alone live
forever
there.
come here, so
So, alright, if you want, we go rent one place together that you want, and we have one house here, so feel said. Why sense? That makes sense?
So suppose me can me not available to come here. How me go?
Why you not available to come to my yard? Why?
No,
Why you
shut
do?
up,
Yeah, but why?
No, why you shout up?
Me not show me that a little bit strong.
Okay. You listen to me now?
Been listening to you, but you know hear me I say.
Okay. This can go both ways, Marco. Okay? Both ways.
But-
And if you, if me can say, you can come over here, me need you come. You suppose you can come and let them go. Your sister will be. She don't busy about it. This is about us, not
All
her.
right.
She had her chance.
Let time make things work out. You understand? Right now, just gonna hug me up.
No,
I'm gonna
because
sleep.
you don't.
You vex with me? Alright, me gonna sleep, me tired, man.
You see, you never care about me.
What me say no care?
You're supposed to have person
But
to
you-
hug you up.
Yeah, but we like running. Come on.
Yes, because.
And that you want me to run it down?
See,
Come on. It's the my time now. It's a two-way street, not a one-way street. Me run you down halfway, and you run come meet me in the middle. In the middle. You understand?
But if me
So
say
see me here,
you
me
want
make one
hug,
step, come.
If you say me figure you want hug, I say no. I know say me vex. So go and take the hug because you know say vex. You don't be say go
Me
go
not
lie
gonna
down.
tell you up, me gonna just know say I vex and school
You
out.
forgive me
Me the
about
halfway,
it.
you come hug me up or not.
You know they're not halfway. Yeah, this is halfway, Marco.
Me the halfway, you come for your guy and I come for you. You have trouble. But guess what now? Me I work 9 time, so what you do?
I'm going to stay.
You stay?
Yes.
I'm gonna leave you. I relax. I just no problem.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me.
I think me not know say there. Listen. They go want 1 week with you. And if you not get the 1 week with you,
Take time, sir. What you doing here?
me I
What you
tell you what
doing
me I do here.
What you doing here?
Want a week with you.
That can't happen. You
Oh.
just over there.
Oh,
Oh, you
it
know
can't
me I
happen.
come. Oh, you know me I come.
don't worry yourself. I have my people them for call me. But see, if you not get the week with you, sir, me I go send off the whole of the picture them, the whole of the video them.
Hold on. So that was a aim? That was the reason why you talk to me and video call? Because most of the time I want
And
to
that
talk
you
to
worry
you.
about?
Huh?
And that you worry about? Just now make me get the week with you and you will see. And we can send it off right now. So make up your mind. It's a yes or a no.
So you say, you're going to release the video them.
And that not gonna do if you not agree.
We don't have to go there, man. We don't have to go there. Alright. Make a move for it. Let's go. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, yo, I can't. What you really depend? Where you depend? I don't understand. Where you depend? Me just come. Me just come.
From the Japan.
Hey, look here, man. Me never plan for this. Me tired, you know. Me just a come off one connected flight a while ago.
Me look
Tired,
like me care. I don't care. Cause first of all, y'all come and you know tell me that I want disrespect.
What you want? What you want? Mash up my life? What you want? Mash up my relationship?
If I
That I want
don't go on that, go happen. Because what? You disrespect me now.
Hey, look here.
We make an agreement, sir.
You can't understand, you know. What you want to leak me up on now?
Because you disrespect me.
Oh, you know somebody that? Who tell you?
You don't need to know that.
No, man. Me not gonna need to know, man. Me not
No,
gonna find
you
out.
don't need to know that. Because I'm not going to tell you how me know so you come.
I know. A styling thing upon. You know me different, man. Right now, I'm tired. Me need to go in right now, go hold off a race and them thing there. You see it?
Looking at my face, me look like my business you want tired. I don't care.
Okay, this here.
Oh, I never know that. If I never know that, you know now.
Can't believe. So, really and truly, look for the place. Look for the place. The money when I send come, you fix the place. All I this not look
That's
like
a chicken change.
What do you mean
Chicken
you know
change.
hard
That
me
can
have
be
to work?
out.
You know hard me have to work up, sir? What do you mean chicken change?
A chicken change.
But after the work out in a 200,000 Jamaican. So what after you couldn't do that?
No.
No man, you are doing bad man. I know some is a good youth.
If me did that do you bad, would I hire somebody to kidnap you? Would you come here for myself?
So that would help you?
Oh, how that would help?
I know.
You really want to know how that would help me?
Look at going now. Yo. It's right now, man.
Stop the grumbling.
Yo, scare them. Yeah, man, they're up on the ground, man. You know, so straight my car, I know what's up. But boy, I'm there, change the plan. I have a shirt and sit them together, brother. But boy, I'm tell you, so I want to look a pretty comment, man. You know, you're not going to believe what's going on, brother. No, I tell you, say, you see them girl, I'm there tell about, brother. Right, ready, sister. No, she pull up on me as I drive in, brother. A good thing, say. You look like mama in her back room or something, bro. I plan, say she a plan to blackmail me. I like video call when I call, and that's why I video call, man, you know, you. When me do around her yard, that's a brother. She actually hold me hostage, brother, as a slave around here. Say me nah, say, yeah. Say she a go release the video of them if me not spend 1 week with her. So around her place me there. I burn off for 1 week. Brother, it's a 1 week I come like a 2 years. I'm scared of me have to sit down to my youth. Everything in my bag right now, everything. Soon come link you, man. You see it? I just that go on, brother. But when me a shout upon, nothing can, you know, nothing in mind where you could have worked on, because you know a girl already, you know nothing in mind where you could have do and frame you. Sitting up for work out, man. If you see it, just think about it, man. Yeah. Because I can't even make mama know something there, you know. But I want to move from your brother. You see it? Yeah, man, so the thing them, no send them forward. Alright. Yeah, no send them forward, man. Know yourself, man. See? I'm so call about that. No, I don't know, man. I'm so call about, man.
You not see me?
Alright. You know like how you're
When
going.
you see me, you have to come off on the phone same time, sir.
Elisa, I don't want you to make the president feel like say, yo, man, I don't know. Spoon now, you know. No,
So
man,
let me ask you a question. The business boy, you are a virgin? No.
no, I don't want no man to shout at me, no, man.
Oh,
So
all you do stop me.
So my reason
When me shout after you, stop me. Anyways, I want the next road. Come on. When me talk, if you move same time, you know? Come on. Come.
Oh, I'm tired, you know, man.
Tired? I tell you this, you worry about. Oh, what could have caused this?
You subscribe yet?
This one goes out to my special baby, my heart in you and for. Oh, hey, baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up on what you believe. There is such a big difference with wants and needs. I don't need no reference. Girl, you are all I need. Heart signed and sealed. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. Years, tears. Now I know what it means. You coulda call it quits and what? So easy for you find a rich man, but it's clear that is not your plan. You choose me for who I am. Cause when nothing I want and the bills them pile up, you still hold on. We never get the blessing from your mother or your father. You still hold on. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy.